Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can split cells, like for example cells you have merged horizontally or vertically like we see in this example here. So in the first step guys, left click on the cell you would like to split, which in this case here is the cell B3, B4, B5. As you can see, these three cells B3, B4, B5 have been merged by me before, because you can only split cells that have been merged here in Google Sheets. So left click on it, and what you want to do next guys is click on that icon here and select unmerge from that drop down menu here. That will split your merged cell into three different separate cells like B3, B4 and B5. Unfortunately guys, as you can see, the data for the cells B4 and B5 has been moved to the cell B3, which is a side effect of the splitting. So unfortunately you will need to fill in these cells here, B4 and B5, with data again manually. You can copy, for example, that data here to B4 and that data to B5. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.